How to use other settings. The three-dot button next to the Asset Selection panel offers access to two additional settings. Social trading allows you to view the trades of the traders you follow directly on the chart. The Market Watch feature shows what kind of trades the majority of traders are placing at the moment. This parameter is displayed as proportions of buy and sell trades above the trading panel. You can zoom in and out on the chart using your mouse wheel scroll. To hide personal data and your balance, click on your avatar in the top right corner and use the eye icon. Enable sound alerts available for a number of trading operations. Choose from the available color themes for the interface. Turn on tooltips to view trade amounts and profits directly on the chart. Manage additional indicators in the trading interface as needed. Chart display optimization is a useful feature that can help reduce the load on your device. Set your preferred time zone for the platform. Daily reports are calculated based on server time, UTC+2. If needed, activate the Islamic Halal account to ensure your trading activities align with Islamic finance principles. Happy trading with Pocket option. Follow the link in the description.